Hi, this is Tim from Discovering the High Life, and we got some new canvas prints today. If you order some prints from us, this is how you can expect them to arrive at your house. So let's unbox these. And this is how they look. Nice detail. And you can see on the back, these are ready to hang. They don't need any framing. You can just hang them right like this on the wall and they are ready to go. So that's number one. Let's see what we got for number two. And there we go. This is another canvas print. You can see nice detail on these. And again, they've got a nice firm back and they are ready to hang. So if you order some canvas or metal or acrylic prints from us, this is how they'll come shipped. You can get these right now on discoveringthehighlife.com.